Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Zach.
My name is Charlotte.
And we make travel related content to give you the best tips and tricks on how to travel longer, cheaper, safer, and more fun.
If you guys like this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more videos just like it.
And in today's video, we're gonna give you our top 10 travel tips. And we're starting right now.
So our first 4 tips for you guys are all packing related, and a little bonus tip, always pack light. I tend to overpack, but no matter if you're going for 3 months or 6 months, pack light. You're gonna wanna buy stuff there, you're gonna wanna buy clothes there, and anything you don't bring with you, you can buy wherever you're going.
Yeah. Packing tip number 1, get yourself some eye covers, earplugs, and a blow up neck pillow. Because you never know when your hostel isn't gonna have a pillow, or if you're in a loud hostel, or if you're trying to sleep on an airplane. Having eye covers, earplugs, and a neck pillow, especially a blow up one. This neck pillow folds into this little bag right here. Definitely one of our travel tips.
Travel tip number 2 would be to bring a compact towel. This one is microfiber, which means it's quick drying, and a lot of times when you're staying in hostels, they don't give you a towel, so you either need to air dry or have one of these guys.
Also, go and grab yourself a normal towel and roll it up, and I guarantee you it doesn't get to the size of a softball. Very, very compactable. Number 3, get yourself a compactable raincoat and or jacket depending on where you're traveling. In Southeast Asia, I only brought a raincoat. As you can see, this thing compacts very, very small. Here in South America, there are colder areas of the continent, so I got myself one of these coats. It's a puffer jacket, and this also takes up very little space in my bag.
The last packing tip we have for you guys is to bring a sarong. I got this one in Bali. It is super helpful to be used as a blanket on the bus or a blanket in your hostel if they don't give you one. It can be used as a little scarf. If you're going to temples, you can wrap it around your legs if they need to be covered. There's just tons of different reasons you should get yourself one of these.
Airport travel tips. So the first airport travel tip, or tip number 5, is to always book your flights on Tuesdays. Tuesdays, all the prices of flights drop drastically. So whenever you're booking a flight to your next destination or your main trip, make sure you book it on Tuesday. They're always cheaper, and that's something we wish we knew way earlier. The second airport travel tip is to bring a journal or a sketchbook, because you never know how long your layovers are gonna be, or if you don't have Wi-Fi on the plane, you're always gonna want something to do. So bring a sketchbook or a journal, definitely an essential travel tip.
Another thing that's super important, and the next tip we have for you guys, is to prepare your travel documents ahead of time. It was super essential when we had to show vaccine certificates, but still essential now. And if you're traveling with a partner, it's a really good idea to print out photos of your passport and exchange them in case one of our bags was to get stolen or lost. Very important to be able to replace your passport.
Yeah, so just be prepared with all your travel documents digitally and physically. Moving on to our bonus tips.
Tip number 8 is to make sure to learn the native language at least a little bit. This can get very difficult when you're going overseas to somewhere where even the letters aren't the same, but at least know how to say hello, thank you.
Where's the bathroom?
Some of the important phrases that you might need to know in this language.
Yeah.
Travel tip number 9, don't overplan. I am the type of person that likes everything to be planned out, but the best adventures are the ones that you don't know are gonna happen. So don't plan even a week ahead. We have no idea what we're gonna be doing next week.
Or even tomorrow.
And that's the best way to do it in our opinion.
Yeah. And our final and probably the most important tip is to laugh when things go wrong, because things are gonna go wrong, especially when you're traveling spontaneously and you're doing a long adventure. Laugh when things go wrong. Those are the best stories. Definitely do not stress. Travel is supposed to be spontaneous and adventurous, so laugh when things go wrong.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Leave a comment down below if you think we forgot any essential travel tips.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.